Wow, absolutely pure class. Look at that. Wow. I got a polka dot tie, or a spotted tie as they would call it in the United Kingdom, and it is absolutely pure class. Wow. Very beautiful. And you can see right there, it has their name, and I am looking forward to wearing this tie. You see it's hand rolled in the edges there. It's sewn right here. And I think this is just a beautiful tie, and I am looking forward to wearing it. And I got this tie because one of my favorite comedians is George Burns, and there's a picture of him smoking a cigar with a tie that is very similar to this. It may even be this tie because this is vintage fabric as far as I know. Who knows? So I'm looking forward to putting this on and doing the comparison picture between me and George Burns, and I am very excited about that. Thank you guys very much for daily content. Please follow my Instagram page, which is linked down below. And what is your favorite tie in your collection? Is there any other tie makers that I should know? Please leave it down in the comments. Thank you very much, and y'all have a wonderful day.